News 7x7 is a unique channel dedicated to the news from dairy industry. Every week you receive brief on top 7 dairy news on this YouTube channel from India and abroad. These news could be seen in detail on our channel dairynews7x7.com also. You may write in the comment box on the dairy topics of your interest. We will try to develop news feature on the same. Your constant feedback and patronage to this channel is our source of inspiration. Top 7 dairy news from the week of 1st November will cover Dairy Sahkar, a 5,000 crore scheme launched for encouraging dairy cooperatives. Amit Shah praises Amul model. NDDB to manage Varanasi Milk Union. SBI provides Yono Krishi Safal dairy loan. Eating locally grown foods seasonally is more environment friendly. Canadian Dairy Commission recommends large increase in milk prices. GDT price index up by 4.3% on November 2nd. With an aim to realize Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of from cooperation to prosperity, Union Minister of Cooperation Amit Shah and Union Minister for Dairying Parshottam Rupala have jointly launched Dairy Sahkar, a scheme envisaging investment of Rs 5,000 crores, having focus on encouraging cooperative dairy business in the country. This is for the first time a comprehensive scheme exclusively for cooperatives related to all aspects of dairy business has been framed by the National Cooperative Development Corporation (NCDC). Rupala appreciated how Amul had helped in boosting the economy of the state, particularly those living in rural areas. As per Sandeep K, MD NCDC, the scheme will provide critical credit linkage for different types of business by cooperatives. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah said that the cooperative sector's contribution in creating a $5 trillion economy will be immense as shown by the success of Amul, the world's largest milk cooperative. At an event organized to mark the completion of 75 years of Amul, which was started in 1946 as a cooperative movement in Anand, Mr. Shah said the cooperative sector will also prove crucial in making the agriculture sector self-reliant. We need to implement this cooperative model to uplift sectors like agriculture and animal husbandry. The cooperative model will prove crucial in making agriculture Atmanirbhar or self-reliant. National Dairy Development Board (NDDB) has signed an agreement with the government of Uttar Pradesh to manage the Varanasi Milk Union for 5 years. This will promote dairy sector in the northern state while providing the dairy farmers required economic resilience. Notably, besides Uttar Pradesh, NDDB is managing some other dairy unions in Assam, Jharkhand, Vidarbha and Marathwada regions of Maharashtra. Atul Chaturvedi, Secretary Animal Husbandry, said soon Varanasi Milk Union plant will be able to process 2 lakh liters of milk per day. He further stated that Varanasi Milk Union will be the country's first milk union to have biogas-based tri-generation plant installed. The State Bank of India provides a financial armory for the dairy farmers. The SBI aims to fulfill the farmers' wish with the Yono Krishi Safal dairy loan. The interested farmers can apply for the loan through SBI Yono. For further details on the Krishi loans, one can log in to the official website of SBI at sbi.coe.in. The interested dairy farmer must note that they can apply for pre-approved loan under corporate tie-up under the Yono Krishi Safal dairy loan through SBI Yono. The various benefits associated with the loans are as follows: zero collateral, low interest rate, easy to apply, fast processing. The SBI customer who have not access to Yono must download it on their mobiles. What we eat has far-reaching effects on the environment, and the journeys our food undertake to get to our plates can tell us a lot about climate change. A 2018 study found that overall beef and lamb have the highest average greenhouse gas impact per 50 grams of protein as compared to pork, farmed fish and crustaceans, poultry and eggs. Consider reducing your consumption of red meat may be a solution. When it comes to dairy, milk itself isn't the problem. Instead, the problem lies in the growing cattle population, the gases they emit, and the land that is cleared out to feed them. Some studies show that cheeses like cheddar and mozzarella have a larger footprint than milk, since a large amount of milk is typically needed to produce a small amount of cheese. Milk alternatives are better for the environment than milk. Still, it's important to know that the production of almonds require more water than any other milk alternative. Milk and dairy prices are expected to jump next year after the Canadian Dairy Commission recommended an 8.4% increase in farm gate prices. The higher price, which works out to an extra 6 cents a litre, is intended to help offset rising production costs due to the COVID-19 pandemic, including soaring feed, energy and fertilizer costs, according to the Federal Crown Corporation. The price hike is expected to be approved by provincial authorities next month and take effect from February 1st. Meanwhile, the Commission, which manages the delicate balance between dairy supply and demand in Canada, is also raising the support price for butter used in its storage programs by 12.4% and recognizing a 5% increase in milk processing costs such as packaging, labor and transportation. It's unclear how much of the increase will be passed along to the consumers. Global dairy trade event on November 2nd concluded with the GDT price index up by 4.3% at $4,207 per metric ton. The prices of key dairy commodities are as follows. Anhydrous milk fat index up by 4.2% at an average price of $6,384 per metric ton. Butter index up by 4.7% to average at $5,350 per metric ton. Cheddar cheese index up by 14.1% with average price of $5,058 per metric ton. Lactose index up by 1.6% at an average price of $1,272 per metric ton. Skim milk powder index up by 6.6% to average at a price of $3,627 per metric ton, and whole milk powder index by 2.7% to average a price at $3,921 per metric ton.
Thanks for watching Daily News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.